Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Soundcloud account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In this video, we're only gonna focus on how to delete our Soundcloud account. Initially, what we're gonna focus on is on the top right section. Right next to this message like icon lies these three dots. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Well, don't worry about anything. What we need to do is simply go to settings, the buttons just above sign out. Once you're in the settings page, well, you can see lots of tabs available here like account, content, notifications and everything. But currently, we're only gonna focus on how to delete our account. Right here in the account section, simply scroll down, and at the very bottom, you'll see something like delete account. The button's right here, just click on it, and it's gonna ask you something like this. Select the one of your choice. And once everything's okay, simply click on this checkbox that says, yes, I want to delete my account and all my tracks, comments and stats. Finally, what you need to do is click on this delete my account button right here. In case you don't want to delete it, hit on cancel right now. Else, click on delete. And guys, that's it. As you can see, our account will be deleted soon. That's it for the video guys. That's how we delete our Soundcloud account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.